Hi fourth graders, it's Miss Boyle, Miss Chisholm here. We're so excited. We're about to go on a road trip. We have the car packed and we're excited to take you along with us. Can you start to think about where we're going? Hint, look at our shirts. All right, Miss Chisholm, are we going to be making a right or a left when we leave Deer Creek?
Well, we're going to take a right on to KK, also known as Kinnick, and we're going to be heading right up to that corner of Walgreens, and then we'll be taking a left to get on to 794.
Awesome! I'm so excited, Miss Chisholm.
Oh, this is the best.
We're passing the Walgreens. We're now going to take a left.
It's a landmark for me, that Walgreens, so it makes me remember where I'm going. We're heading up to this red light up here, which I'm going to stop at. And then we're going to make our way onto 794. We're on Oklahoma right now.
While we're at the stoplight, I'm looking and I can see that we're on Ellen's. We're gonna be turning onto Ellen Street. I see the sign that says Port of Milwaukee. That's one of the road signs that tells me what's going to be coming up ahead. It's also making me think, what is that? Driving along here, fourth graders, I'm starting to notice one of the big landmarks of Milwaukee. And you're going to see it here in just a couple seconds as we keep driving along.
What a beautiful morning, even with the clouds out there on Lake Michigan.
So as we're passing Lake Michigan, Miss Chisholm, what are we coming up on next?
Well, as you're panning around, you're probably noticing other landmarks that we'll more fully investigate. You see the clock over there? It's telling us it's 48 degrees. I'm noticing right now that we're seeing the port. So that sign that we noticed before, we're seeing part of the Port of Milwaukee. As we're on this beautiful 794, we're coming up to the Hohen Bridge, which then you can see landmark buildings of the downtown of Milwaukee.
I'm also noticing that it's a calm day out there on Lake Michigan as we're passing over the Hohen Bridge. I see other important landmarks as we're driving along here, fourth graders. I can see the Art Museum.
The Discovery World.
Oh,
nice.
Another important landmark.
These road signs tell us that it says 794 West. So as we got onto 794, we were heading north, but now we're going to take it west. Because this trip we're taking requires us to head west. see these signs. It says Madison, Green Bay, Chicago, all different destinations. We're going to be going into the lane to follow Madison signs. I see it says 94 West. That's going to help me stay on track.
There's the sign for Miller Park.
Landmarks are one way to help us remember where we are and where we're going. It's kind of like memorizing. So when I see Miller Park, okay, I know I'm headed the right way, and then I can notice signs along the road that tell me I'm headed the right way.
And there's the sign right there that we just passed to let us know which way to go if we wanted to go to Miller Park.
Well, I'm seeing a sign that says West Allis. Wow, so as we're driving along, we're passing boundaries. And that boundary tells me that's a different area that I'm in. West Allis is another city. The State Fair Park's coming up. The Pettit Ice Center.
Miss Chisholm, I see another landmark that's coming up here on our left. What are we seeing?
Oh my goodness, there's State Fair Park. There's something else too. I think it's a Halloween store. Oh my
Yes.
goodness. And there's the Pettit Ice Center. Landmarks like water towers also help me remember where am I. So I'm noticing that I like to read what's on the water towers. It's another way to know. This one says Milwaukee Regional Medical Center. It tells me that Fredert Children's Hospital is coming up. Oh, another water tower, Miss Boyle. Wauwatosa. Landmark water towers. I see 4 of them. Briggs and Stratton. That's telling me there is something called Briggs and Stratton over there. Another Wauwatosa water tower. Miss Boyle, we're going to be paying attention to a sign that's going to say 167. So I notice it's not this. And when we get to 167, we're going to be turning off. There's so much signage that's helpful. Oh my goodness, I'm seeing a 167 and it says east, west. We want to go west. So it looks like 5.5 is behind there. Miss Boyle, what does that mean if it says 5.5?
That means we have 5.5 more miles to go.
It's getting closer. Getting so excited.
I know. I wonder if you have any guesses yet as to where we're going.
Ooh. Washington CO. I know that CO stands for county. So we've just crossed a county boundary. We were in Milwaukee County. Now we're not anymore. But it's an invisible boundary. I had to read the sign to know. Oh, there's my sign again. Not going to turn on the east one. I have to wait till I get 4 1/4 miles ahead. that says last 167 ahead to Holy Hill.
There it gives us a clue as to where we're going.
Oh, I think I see a Holy Hill Road sign. And it says 1 mile. You see that 167 looks like in a different symbol? So exit 57 is the same as 167. Oh, there it is. This is where I'm going to exit, right onto this exit ramp, 167. Miss Boyle, I'm noticing something about the road right now as I look ahead. I'm noticing an incline where it seems kind of like that road looks like a ribbon. Or it looks like I see lights way up there, like we're going to be going up. It's like we're going higher up. What social studies word that is. Higher up. I think it has to do with elevation. Something that is more elevated.
As we're driving along, I can feel as we're getting farther and farther up, I can feel us moving in that elevated roadway.
This is a much more rural area because I'm noticing barns, noticing some farm fields. And more space between buildings. Because I know that I need to find a road, and I believe the road is called Carmel Road.
Again, I'm noticing that incline as we're driving ahead here. That's telling me that the elevation is changing.
Oh my goodness, look at that landmark, Miss Boyle. There's a landmark over there at the very top of a very high point. It says Holy Hill. All right. We're taking a left on this Holy Hill Road. Oh, Ice Age Trail Holy Hill segment.
Hi, fourth graders, we just made it. It's 8:24 and we are so ready to trek the trail. Come on with us on our journey.
Yay!